Video 21, Part 12C of 25, Outputs from the Plan Cost Management Process. The purpose of this video is to develop a WBS to present the deliverables from the Plan Cost Management Process. The Plan Cost Management Process is the first process in the Project Cost Management knowledge area and is related to the Planning Process group. Please click the like button. Subscribe to my channel and share with others. Thank you. How important is the cost management plan output in the plan cost management process? The cost management plan is the primary output of the plan cost management process, and it plays a critical role in project success. Here's why the cost management plan is so important. 1. Defines how project costs will be estimated, budgeted, managed, monitored, and controlled. The cost management plan establishes the framework for all cost-related activities throughout the project lifecycle. It ensures consistency in how costs are handled, preventing ad hoc or inconsistent financial decisions. 2. Ensures alignment with organizational policies and project objectives. It aligns cost management practices with the organization's financial policies, accounting standards, and the project's overall objectives. This helps in securing stakeholder buy-in and maintaining financial discipline. 3. Provides clarity on key cost control processes. The plan outlines the following topics. First, cost estimation methods, such as analogous, parametric, and bottom-up. Second, budgeting approach, such as contingency reserves and management reserves. Third, cost baseline and funding requirements. Fourth, cost control and variance thresholds, such as acceptable deviations before corrective action. Fifth, reporting formats and frequency, such as EVM and cost performance reports. 4. Supports effective decision-making and risk management. By defining how cost variances will be analyzed and addressed, the plan helps project managers make informed decisions, manage risks, and avoid cost overruns. 5. Serves as a reference for audits and compliance. A well-documented cost management plan ensures transparency and accountability, making it easier to justify financial decisions during audits or stakeholder reviews. How can a poor cost management plan analysis harm the plan cost management process? A poor cost management plan analysis can severely undermine the plan cost management process, leading to financial mismanagement, project delays, and even failure. Here's how a poor cost management plan analysis can cause harm. 1. Inaccurate cost estimates. First, underestimation, leading to insufficient funding, forcing cuts in scope or quality. Second, overestimation, wasting resources, reducing ROI, and may make the project appear non-viable. For example, a project with flawed parametric estimates may run out of funds prematurely. 2. Uncontrolled budget overruns. Without clear variance thresholds, minor cost deviations can spiral into major financial crises. For example, a 10% cost overrun without corrective actions could bankrupt the project. 3. Poor risk and contingency planning. If reserves, such as contingency and management, are not properly defined, unexpected costs can derail the project. For example, a project without a risk-adjusted budget may fail when unforeseen expenses arise. 4. Misalignment with stakeholder expectations. Stakeholders may lose trust if costs are not tracked transparently. For example, a sponsor withdraws funding due to inconsistent financial reporting. 5. Ineffective cost monitoring and control. Without earned value management or clear KPIs, cost performance cannot be measured. For example, a project team doesn't realize they're over budget until it's too late. 6. Compliance and audit failures. Poor documentation can lead to legal or regulatory issues. For example, a government project fails an audit due to improper cost tracking. 7. Resource misallocation and waste. Funds may be spent on low-priority tasks while critical activities are underfunded. For example, a software project overspends on licenses but lacks budget for testing. Without the cost management plan, projects risk budget overruns, misallocation of funds, and poor financial control, leading to potential failure. In conclusion, a weak cost management plan analysis leads to financial chaos, stakeholder distrust, and project failure. To avoid this, project managements must ensure, first, accurate estimation techniques, such as bottom-up and parametric. Second, clear cost control mechanisms, such as EVM and thresholds. Third, proper risk reserves, such as contingency buffers. Fourth, stakeholder-aligned reporting. As a final message, the cost management plan is essential because it provides the structured approach needed to manage project finances effectively. This video is finished, but we will have in the next videos. 1. Creation of WBS for different projects using WBS Schedule Pro. 2. Examples of project plans using MS Project. And many more videos. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this video and want us to continue with new topics. Subscribe to the channel. All content is free. You can also comment suggesting topics you would like to see on this channel. Thank you.